In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create user stories in Trello. Start by opening Trello and logging into your account. Once you're in, open the board where you want to manage your work. This is the board that will hold your user stories, so make sure you're in the right workspace before moving on. Next, create a dedicated list for your user stories. Click Add a List, type User Stories, and then click Add List. This gives you a clear place to keep all of your story cards together, which makes the board easier to scan and organize as your project grows. Now go to the User Stories list and click Add a Card. Enter the title of your user story. Keep the title short and specific so it's easy to identify at a glance. After that, click Add Card to create it. Once the card appears in the list, click on it to open the full details. In the card window, click into the description area. Here, write the user story using the standard format. As a user, I want a goal, so that a reason. This structure helps your team quickly understand who the feature is for, what they need, and why it matters. When you're done, click Save. After that, click Checklist. Type acceptance criteria as the checklist name, then click Add. Now add a checklist item for each acceptance criterion. These are the specific conditions that must be true for the story to be considered complete. Writing them out in checklist form makes it much easier for designers, developers, and testers to stay aligned. Next, click Labels. Choose existing labels or create new ones to show things like priority or status. Labels are useful because they make cards visually easier to sort and understand without having to open each one. Then click Members and assign the relevant team members to the card. This helps clarify ownership and lets everyone know who is involved in moving the work forward. After that, click Dates and set a due date. This gives the story a timeline and helps your team stay on schedule, especially when multiple tasks are being tracked across the same board. Finally, close the card. Your user story is now created and organized inside Trello with a title, description, acceptance criteria, labels, assignees, and a due date. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. As a quick tip, try keeping your story titles simple and your acceptance criteria measurable. That makes each card easier to understand and easier to complete. Also, keeping all user stories in one dedicated list can make sprint planning and backlog reviews much smoother. And that's it. You've successfully created a user story in Trello, and now you have a repeatable structure you can use for future tasks and features.